Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast to an Amazon Firestick through an iPhone. Now in this example, I am using the brand new second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but this tutorial will work on any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K or Fire TV device. Now if you hold down the home button on your remote and you scroll over, you will likely notice an option here that says mirroring. So if you click that, you'll be presented with this display mirroring screen. Now, if you are using an iPhone and try to connect using display mirroring, what you will encounter is that this will not work. It is not a compatible device with the display mirroring functionality. If you're using an Android phone or an Android tablet, this process should work very smoothly. But since we cannot use this simple feature on an iPhone, I'm going to exit out of here, and there is an application that we need to install in order for the cast to Firestick process to work correctly. So to do that, from the home screen, hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to type in Cast. And after I type in Cast, I'm just going to click Cast. And there are various applications that provide similar functionalities. You may be familiar with this application called AirScreen, as it is the most popular. But I have tested all of these and I've found an application called FastCast to actually work better. So I'm going to install FastCast. I'm going to click that. And then it should take me to the installation page here. And then I'm going to click Get. Since I have not yet downloaded this application, give it a few seconds for the application to download on your Fire Stick. All right, after FastCast has been installed on your Fire Stick, I'm going to click the home button on my remote, and I'm going to scroll over to this icon here towards the end of my apps list, right before the settings button. I'm going to click this. And now I'm in my apps and channels list. And if I scroll down, you should see an option here for FastCast. I'm going to go ahead and move this towards the front to make this process quicker. So I'm going to click the options button on my remote. I'm going to click move, and then I'm going to drop this towards the front of my apps list. So I'm going to drop it right here. Click OK to drop it. And now I'm going to click the home button, and you should see FastCast populate right here. So after I've installed FastCast, I'm going to go ahead and click this to launch it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click iPhone Share. And after I click iPhone Share, now I'm going to transfer over to my iPhone, and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. All right, guys, so I am on my iPhone 10 here, and what I'm going to do is all you need to do is swipe up. So if I swipe up, you should see this option here with two screens. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now what you should see is an option that says FastCast. So if I click the option that says FastCast, I accidentally clicked that, I'm going to click FastCast. And now once I click FastCast, you're going to have to give it a few seconds, but my Fire Stick screen is now casted through my iPhone. And I'm going to come back to my Fire TV Stick 4K Max to show you guys what I am talking about. All right, guys, so if I hop back over to my Fire TV Stick 4K Max, you'll see that my Fire Stick is now casted. So that's it, guys. That is how you cast to your Amazon Fire Stick using an iPhone. As you see, I just launched the YouTube app just to show you in this example. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this tutorial helped you out. And guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.